Is this company on your credit report? This company is a debt collection company. You may not have to pay your debt, paying it may hurt your score. Call now to find out if you can remove this company from your report, without paying your debt, potentially. Call 800-310-7331. Who does this company collect for? This company has reported a collection on your credit report. This can mean they bought your debt from the original company you owed money to, often for much less than what you owed. Sometimes, they're just collecting the debt for another company. They might try to contact you to ask for payment, and having this debt collection on your report can lower your credit score. This makes it harder to get approved for loans or other big financial steps. However, it might be possible to get this debt collection removed from your report. Does this company harm my credit score? A bad mark on your credit that hasn't expired can really hurt your credit score, and this includes any type of collection. How do I remove this company from my credit report? You might be able to get this company taken off your credit report if there's wrong, mistaken, or fake information that isn't corrected quickly. A study by the US PIRGs shows that 79% of credit reports have errors or big mistakes. We focus on fixing these issues for our clients. Need help with this company? Talk to our friendly credit specialists to see how we can assist you. Call 800-310-7331. Is this company a debt collection agency? This company is a verified active collection agency. They buy unpaid debts from various creditors who have stopped trying to collect the money themselves, often called a charge-off. Should I pay for delete with this company? Paying off this company to remove it from your credit report might sound good, but there's an issue. When you pay a debt to collections agencies, it changes the status on your credit report from unpaid to paid. But, the collections will still show up on your report for 7 years. So, your credit is still impacted. Should I negotiate a settlement with this company? Settling your debt with this company could improve or harm your credit score, depending on different factors. You might not even have to pay anything, and if there are any problems with the account, you could get it removed completely and stop hearing from them. Is this company legit, fake, or a scam? This company is a real company, not a scam or fake. However, they might make a lot of calls and bother you. Why does this company keep calling me? This company keeps calling to collect a debt. It's best to ignore their calls and talk to a company that can help you remove it. Will this company try suing or garnishing my wages? It's rare for this company to sue. It happens, but it's not common. There are laws that limit how much they can take from your bank or wages. We suggest calling us to figure out how likely a lawsuit is and how to remove this debt. Read reviews from our happy customers. We've helped thousands of people remove errors from their report to get mortgages, auto loans, and so much more. Speak with a live credit specialist to see how we can help. Call 800-310-7331. Does this company accept a goodwill letter to remove my collection/charge-off? But, the collections will still show up on your report for 7 years. So, your credit is still impacted. Should I negotiate a settlement with this company? Settling your debt with this company could improve or harm your credit score, depending on different factors. You might not even have to pay anything, and if there are any problems with the account, you could get it removed completely and stop hearing from them. Is this company legit, fake, or a scam? This company is a real company, not a scam or fake. However, they might make a lot of calls and bother you. Call 800-310-7331.